Let's do it.
Yeah, of course, it looks beautiful. Let's go. We just found out that these boats are also 150 and they're way cooler. To give you the full picture of Hội An, we're gonna also show you how busy it is. Welcome to another episode of Tag Along with Chai. We are in the most beautiful city in Vietnam. We are in Hội An. And in this episode, we're gonna show you the beauty of it. We've been here already several days. We're gonna have to check it out together. And we're not doing this alone, champs. No, we're doing this with Nuna.
Hey, what's happening, champs?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Hội An is full of little shops, cafes, restaurants, and you're gonna have to check out several of them. But what we do recommend is have a stop at one of these street cafes. We are at Ami Cafe near the Japanese bridge, and we ordered a salted coffee. Guys, this one is 35 dong, and this is the nicest coffee you will taste probably in Vietnam, in the whole of Vietnam.
It's a Vietnamese coffee with a heavy salted cream. We had egg coffee before, and I thought that was like, but this is,
We're gonna walk you around this beautiful city. This is Hội An. That's really cool. So this guy is just crafting all these sculptures. To give you the full picture of Hội An, we're gonna also show you how busy it is, because it is really, really busy at some places. But busy or not busy, it is still a magical place. The only annoying thing is maybe that a lot of people are trying to haggle you. They're like, hey, you wanna buy this, you wanna buy that? But most of the people are very friendly here. And when you say no thank you and give them a smile, they stop bothering you. And everyone wants to make business here, so you cannot blame them. Whoa. Thank you. We just jumped on a boat, not knowing exactly where we're going. We paid a lady 150 dong, which is like $6, and we're now going to nobody knows where we're going. But there are several boats heading that direction, and there are several boats coming back. In Hội An, it's a tradition to release lanterns into the water for fortune, good fortune and love. So let's do this. To fortune and love, and to all the people who are watching right now. There they go. Nuna released one as well. Woo! Thank you. That was only literally 10 minutes, but it was 10 minutes of fun. We had a little look from the water, seeing the other boats with all these beautiful lanterns. We just found out that these boats are also 150 and they're way cooler because you don't have an engine and you're, beautifully together in a very small space in this beautiful river. The iconic view, really, that you thinking of Hội An. If you're coming to Hội An, you're gonna have to go a little bit further up the river to check out these boats, because this is probably more pleasant without the engine. We quickly walk you through the night market of Hội An. Well, I expected a lot of food here, but it's mainly souvenirs. This place, like Hội An itself, has plenty of good restaurants, going from low end, the prices of $1, $1.50, for a meal. Mid-class for a tenner for a main dish is a very common one at pretty much all the restaurants here. With $10 US you can get your main course already. Hoi An has been a little bit more expensive than the rest of the parts of Vietnam where we've been, but still it's quite affordable. I would not like to spend so much time over here because the city is super beautiful, and this is just the market. Like, yeah, you've got many local night markets that are quite similar. So let's go find some dinner. The name of this restaurant? Boycom.
Yes.
Boycom. What does that mean, Boycom?
He's a rye. You take the rye on the bowl, send the butter.
Boycom, rice in the bowl. Do you have also local food from Hoi An?
Yes, many the local food from Hội An. We have mì Quảng and khao lao is a local food in Hội An.
Me one?
Yes, Quảng noodle.
One noodle.
Yes, we have a Quảng noodle is a local food.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah, of course. It looks beautiful. Let's go.
Is it new?
Yes, opening 1 week.
1 week only open, so we're gonna have to support them also. Xin chào. Wow. Oh, this feels already really nice. Thank you. Xin chào. Good evening. Woo. Thank you so much. We escaped the busyness, just a 5-minute walk away from the night market, and we are here at Boycom. It just has opened last week, and we are fortunate to have a little taste over here, and we'll let you know if it's actually good. The vibes over here, the music is nice, and the people are super lovely. I also would say, if you don't want to have that hectic, busy, like come on, happy hour, everyone's happy hour, try to drag you in. This was not the case over here. A lot of noodles, Asian food, but also Western food is on the menu. We also recognize that the prices over here are a little bit less compared to the similar restaurants that we have in the older parts of town. We have the pan-fried red snapper with fish sauce, Boycom. The Quang noodle with shrimp, pork, vegetable, lemon, chili, egg, peanuts, a lot of goodness, and some stir-fried mixed vegetable, and the famous chili paste from Hoi An comes with it. You're gonna have to add it right in the noodles. The fish is nice and juicy, crispy on the outside though. You can taste that, for example, the stir-fried vegetables, they've been cooked with butter, and we've been in several places now in Asia, and sometimes, or most of the times, the butter is sweet butter. This one is not, it's just proper butter. Maybe a little bit salty, but this is just perfect to cook with.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do we recommend this restaurant?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, amazing food, local and Western. We went for local, obviously. Hey, there's a lot more to see and a lot more to show of Hoi An. Yeah, we are not able to show you everything, but we do also street interviews, so you get a better understanding what Hoi An is like. So, yeah, if you are interested, just click on the banner.
I was really surprised by the beach as well.
Yes, we didn't show you the beach at all, but we went to the beach and it was actually a very beautiful, white, clean beach. But anyway, then again, we cannot show you everything. We would like to say from Hoi An, the middle of Vietnam, bye for now.
And
Stay tuned.